Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to skip ads in Idle Cult Empire. Now, ads can be really frustrating. Thankfully, in Idle Cult Empire, they don't appear as often. In fact, we can even use them to our advantage, from boosting some of our resources to a few free gems. For example, when you logged out of the game for a certain amount of time, it'll give you a bonus just like this one that you can see on the screen. Now you have the option to skip this by choosing reject, or we can claim the ×2 bonus. Now let me go ahead and show you how we can skip this. So we just have to wait for this to load. You have to look at the bottom part of the screen. It says there add 1 of 2. So expect that there will be 2 ads. So for this first one, it'll be over. So you have to click the button at the upper right corner of the screen under the score. You want to make sure that it already has a line. That means you can already skip it. So let's do that. Right, so this is the second ad. So same thing, we just have to wait for this to be over. And then once the icon at the upper right corner, or sometimes it appears at the left, has that line, then we can skip it. So there we go. So you can see now we can skip it. And just like that, we got the ×2 bonus. Now it says here that we can even upgrade that to a ×3 bonus. So you have the option to skip this by choosing reject, or claiming it again by watching ads and then skipping them, just like we did. But for now, let's go ahead and reject this. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to skip ads in Idle Cult Empire in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!